ございます。It's Mikan and welcome to my channel. Today I am not cosplaying at all and I am filming with snow because today's box is the Nihonbox and the theme was fantasy and dark and fantasy. So let's open it. We have the paper, dark and fantasy, and featuring in this box I recognize Bleach, Hunter x Hunter, Yakusoku no Neverland, and I don't remember the name in Japanese, Black Butler. And also the pamphlet. I am not excited at all for this box because I love Hunter x Hunter, but the other featuring in this box are Choto. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Maybe I gonna like it, I don't know. I'm not going to watch it at all in the last minute and you as well. So first, my aunt take it this book from SAO. Yeah, well, why not? I don't know. I know who I can give this actually, so it's fine. Let's see what it's looking inside. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Next item. Gachapon. Yakusoku no Neverland. Well, for an anime in this box, just like a Gachapon, it's Chotone. I don't know, for anime that a lot of people like, I think that should be like more that I Gachapon, I think. Yosh. So it's a pencil case. Yes, pretty small. Pretty. Tell me what do you think about that? But me, I am. My boyfriend is telling me, I want it! You can have it if you want, but it's Kuroneko box. Next item! What is it? Aha! It looks very spicy, like me today. I don't gonna eat it, but my brother and my boyfriend would like to buy it to eat it. I can't with Karai food. Next item, I'm taking a small one. It's socks. An item that I like, that I love. have this kind of sock with the finger. And it's Fujisa! Yeah. But what is the dark and fantasy part of it? I don't know, but it's cute and I like it. That's the only matter in this case. Next item, a little box, and if I remember well with the video of Hana Kobato, I don't remember. It's a Shonen Jump special Tsumu Tsumu plushies. And I am actually destroying the box, but that's okay, I think. Let me see. And it's gone! Oh, it's so cute, but I don't know what to do with it, but it's so cute. Next item, I think that he has 2 items left. Yes. This is probably the Japanese traditional item of the Nihonbox. Well, okay. Bon appétit! So here is for the Japanese traditional plate of the Nihonbox and this bleach. And not so well done I think, but it looks good at the camera, so it's fine maybe. Maybe my boyfriend would like it too. We saw bleach, we saw One Piece, Center x Center, Yakusoku no Neverland. So the next item and the last one would be Black Butler. And I think it's a figure, and I don't think that I'm gonna like it. But no. Crunch. It's a figure, and I watched season 1 and I cannot saw the season 2 because there is a lot of problems with my connection and I totally put it away, and I didn't read the manga either, and yes, that was the figure in this box, and I think that was the last item. I only loved one item in this box, but well, don't judge me, that's my taste and my opinion, so yeah. The only one item that I loved is this pair of socks, and that's all. But what do you like in this box? Tell me now in the commentary box, and if you want to see more about kind of video like this, let me know by a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Click on the bell, everything like that, yay! And yes, next box theme is adventure, and I try my best to not spoil me at all until now. Yes! Let's do it. Bye bye!
楽しみにしてるぜ。